Ever wondered if the Honey Warm heater is actually the miracle winter gadget it claims to be, or just another overhyped product flooding online stores? Honey Warm markets itself as a compact, energy-efficient space heater that supposedly warms any room in seconds, promising quiet, powerful performance perfect for chilly days. But when you dig into the details, the reality is more nuanced. First, the product images appear to be copied from random sites, raising questions about authenticity, and the website uses aggressive urgency tactics like 70% off, today only, which can feel more like marketing pressure than genuine savings. On the performance side, while it technically heats small spaces, independent verification is lacking and there are no credible demos or reviews to confirm the claims, leaving potential buyers with mostly promotional material. Customer support also leaves much to be desired. There's only a single email address with no phone line or live chat, making it difficult to resolve issues or ask specific questions. Additionally, there's almost no independent feedback online. It doesn't have any notable presence on platforms like Trustpilot, Reddit, or tech forums, so it's hard to gauge real-world experiences beyond what the seller posts. Energy efficiency is plausible in theory for a small room, but without verifiable tests, it's impossible to tell whether it truly lives up to the promise or if it's comparable to many other small heaters already on the market. In short, Honey Warm might work for someone looking for a tiny, portable space heater, but the combination of unverified claims, weak customer support, and a lack of independent feedback means buyers should approach with caution. If you're curious, keep an eye out for real-world reviews, but don't rely solely on the flashy claims, because the results may vary significantly depending on your expectations and needs.